All right, so this is the doorbell camera, and you're gonna hear this sound that it makes right now. So once it's making that sound, you could pair it. So I'm gonna go ahead and connect it to my Wi-Fi. It already showed me that it was a doorbell camera on the phone. When you download the app is right here. You scan the QR code on the side of the box, and let's set this up. So it's connected, and now you could name your device whatever name you want to put it. Doorbell, front door, wherever you're putting it. So let's name it. I thought this was a pretty cool function for the doorbell to have. So if someone tries to remove your doorbell, you can have an alarm. So you could have it on, or you could turn it off. So I thought that was pretty nice. I have my doorbell camera set up, which is right here. So let's press it. And then it gives you the option. So you could answer the doorbell ring, and it'll show you the video. So I'm right here, doorbell's right there, and there's a camera. And you could talk into it, you could mute it, put it on speaker, turn off the speaker. So there you have it. Hang up. So this is the back case. You have different options to mount this on the wall. So you could screw it in with these screws right here. It has an adhesive if you want to stick it on the back. And that just clips right into this, the doorbell itself. Here, you charge it. So there's the charging, the power, and the reset button if you want to reset it. There's a little QR code in the back also. This one, you plug it in, it's a USB. So this is the doorbell, the chime. So if your bedroom is far away or upstairs, you plug this in so you could hear the doorbell whenever it rings. That's so you could hear it. And here's the screws to screw it in. These two little keys, you need them to open up this. You poke this and this pops right off. So that's how you take that off. You have this little charger. It's a USB to C to go ahead and charge this. And you have the manual. So there's everything you have for this doorbell.